Good night. My name is Francilla Bernal Gutierrez. I am 38 years old. I am from Garagoa City. I live Chibor, Boyacá. I work at banks as cashier. My hobby is read and dancing. I live with my husband and my children. I study psychology at the University Universidad Garagoa. My favorite TV show is Bolivar. My favorite sport is swimming. There are 3 people in my family. My mother is Gloria Gutierrez. She is 62 years old. She is a nurse. She is from Sogamoso City. My mother is very nice. She is short. Her eyes are brown and she has blonde hair. My father is Luis Bernal. He is 62 years old. He is a glacier or glass maker. He is from Acapulco City. My father is very serious. He is tall. His eyes are green and blue, and he has brown hair. My sister is Paola Bernal. She is 4 years old. She is bacteriology. She is from Garagoa City. My sister is very sociable. She is tall. Her eyes are brown and she has blonde hair. Thank you.